All right, family. This is Darren J. I'm coming to you all from Atlanta, Georgia, and this is the fourth installment of Binary Simplified. Simple strategies that you can utilize to increase your profitability in trading binary options using tools offered by IM Master Academy. So this particular one we're going to go over today is in Liberty, and it is called Webslinger. So what you'll do is you'll log into Liberty. It'll look like this. It'll just be a candle chart. You'll go up to your left-hand corner, click on Strategies, and then you'll see the three strategies that are offered in Liberty. Simple Scalper, Pickpocket, Webslinger. We did two breakdowns on Simple Scalper and Pickpocket. Today we're going to do Webslinger. So if you are like me, when I first looked at Webslinger, I was like, it is too busy, it is too much going on, and I do not have any interest in understanding it. But once you understand what you're looking at, it is very simple. So it's two basic indicators. All of these lines are moving averages. And then you have the Ishimoku cloud. So the green and the red. So you can see it better here, the green and the red. So when price is above the cloud is green. When the price is below the cloud, it is red. So now this is a good strategy to use when the market is trending. Now you can use it when the market is consolidating, but it's also a great one to use to confirm when the market is in a strong trend. So the further these EMAs or these moving average lines are apart, the stronger the trend. So that helps you identify it off the bat. The closer they are together, the more the market is consolidating. So let's look at this consolidating section. So I'm going to draw some lines to help you all see where I am. Let's go here. So let's go just off the top of these pivot points. Another line, bottom. All right. Okay. So if you see during this particular time, the market is just kind of moving sideways. It's not trending. It's just a lot of consolidation. So sideways movement, right? So how you can utilize this particular strategy during this time, you see the market goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, goes down, right? So how you can utilize this particular strategy during this time to take trades is whenever it reverses. So for example, if you look here, the market has come down and hit the bottom, this line here. So then you could have got in for a call once it reversed. So you can use a confirmation candle. So for example, if you waited till this red candle hit the line, the blue candle gave you a confirm that it was turning, got in here for a trade. Now, mind you, this is a 5-minute chart. So the rule of thumb in binary options, if it's a 5-minute chart, you're going to get in for a 15-minute trade. So market here, it hit this line here. You waited for this confirmation blue candle, you got in for 15 minutes. So you got in on this candle here, 5, 10, 15, market closed up here. That's a successful trade. Now, say we got in here. We waited till the market hit this particular line and it reversed. So you waited for this confirmation candle. So the blue candle here, confirmation red candle, you got in on the second candle. 15 minutes, 5, 10, 15. Market closed here. Another successful trade. Now, it did not come down. You could have got it here when it almost kissed this line, but it's also inside of the cloud. So I personally wouldn't have taken that trade. I would have got in when this trade hit here. So it hits the line, doesn't give you a confirmation candle. So in the wicks, the body didn't go all the way up. So I probably wouldn't have taken that trade. But that's just one way you can use this strategy to take trades. So when it hits the lines, when it's consolidating, all right? Now, another way that you can take trades using the Webslinger strategy is when the market is trending. Now I'm gonna clear some of these lines out for you all. So when the market is moving in a trend, meaning this is an uptrend here, you can take in favor calls. Now, how you do that is you look for the retracement point. So what that is, the market is going up, you have these blue candles, and then it's going to retrace or have a pullback. So retrace here, these red candles, you have a blue confirmation candle, got in on this second candle for 15 minutes. So you got in here, 5, 10, 15, market closed there, successful trade. Now, another retracement right here, confirmation candle, got in here, 5, 10, 15, another successful trade. Now, even here, there was another retracement here. So all these red candles, and then market goes up. That is a confirmation candle. Now, me personally, I do not like to take trades when it's inside of the EMAs because it's just not as consistent. Now, you could have taken this one. So, for example, you waited for the confirmation candle, and let's just say you got in as soon as this candle opened. You got in up here. The market continues to go down, but then turns around. So turns around here, turns around here. So you got in for 15 minutes. 5, 10, 15. Market closed up here. That would have been a successful trade. But I caution you to not taking trades once it's inside of the EMAs, just when it's above. Now you can do it, but this me personally, you want to keep it simple. A high probability trade. Take the calls when they're above all of the EMAs. And that is how you can utilize a simple strategy known as Webslinger that is offered through the I Am Master Academy to take and trade binary options. So, and the alert panel. The alert panel over here, it tells you the pair. It tells you when that particular trade was called. So, for example, when you see this little purple, I call it a Wi-Fi symbol, that is calling a particular trade there, meaning that it's a particular point of entry that you can take. Now, you do not have to wait on that particular notification to come out if you utilize the strategies that we just discussed. But this is a strategy that I do like to use. And once you understand what you're looking at, it's very simplistic to take and have high probability trades. So I hope you all got some value out of this video. And if you want to reach out to me directly, my information will be in the description below. Don't forget to click and subscribe, share, like, and when you think you can't, you can. When you want to quit, keep pushing. When you doubt, just believe. Belief combined with faith, the only limitation is your imagination. This is Darren J. I love you all, and I want to see you all on the other side of success. Take care.